I've got LeEco Le S3, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select fingerprint and password, and then click on unlock with fingerprint. And smoothly by tapping on add a fingerprint, you can start the whole process. So at first you have to pick some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, 4-digit code, 6-digit code, or the password, and I will choose the pattern. Let me draw L letter, and then you have to draw it one more time to confirm, then tap on confirm, and now you can also log into your LeEco account if you want to, but I will skip it for now. And now it's time to add fingerprint. So you have to place your finger at the sensor at the back cover and just keep tapping. As you can see, if you will turn the device around, here you will notice the fingerprint sensor. Just keep tapping, and meanwhile here you can observe the progress. So just keep tapping until it's fully added, and that's it. As you can see, fingerprint is added successfully. Click on OK, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device, unlock your LeEco with this fingerprint only. Just click on the sensor and that's it. If you would borrow your phone to somebody, he or she will be able to unlock it with this backup pattern. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can add a fingerprint to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.